Airtable or ActiveCollab? Two giants in project management, but which one actually helps you get things done? On one side, the flexible spreadsheet meets database Airtable. On the other, the all-in-one project tracker, ActiveCollab. We're diving into what matters, features, ease of use, integrations, pricing, support, and more. Forget the hype. Let's see how these tools perform in real workflows. Every category gets points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who wins where. The final verdict might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, here's what we're going to look at. First up, price, because, well, money. Then features, obviously. Collaboration tools, how easy they are to actually use, integrations with your favorite apps, and, of course, what you can customize. Buckle up, because there's a lot to unpack here. Let's get into price, because who doesn't love a good deal? Airtable does come in with a free tier, which is cool if you're just getting started or working solo. But as you scale, that price can creep up, especially if you want all the bells and whistles. ActiveCollab, on the other hand, has this flat per-user pricing. The entry point is lower for small teams, and honestly, it's just more straightforward. The only real downside? No generous free tier like Airtable has. But for affordability and simplicity, ActiveCollab kinda edges this round. Next up, features. Oh man, Airtable is the king of flexibility here. You can literally make any kind of database you want, grid views, Kanbans, calendars, you name it. It's wild, but yeah, it takes some learning, especially if you want something out of the box. ActiveCollab is a bit more traditional, like a workhorse for project management tasks, time tracking, workload planning, all that jazz. But if you need custom workflows or database stuff, it's not its strong suit. Still, features-wise, Airtable is just next level. Let's talk collaboration. Airtable shines with real-time edits, like you see changes live, and the sharing options are super flexible. But I'll admit, the permissions can get confusing in bigger companies. ActiveCollab, it stays closer to task comments and project discussions, and it's actually got client roles if you work externally. But everything's centered around tasks and projects, not bigger workflows. Airtable's got the edge here for truly dynamic teamwork. Quick fact, just in case you didn't know, Airtable actually started out as a simple spreadsheet tool. Yeah, really. And now it's evolved into this powerhouse low-code platform. Who knew? Now, ease of use. ActiveCollab feels just so effortless, especially if you're used to traditional project management tools. Onboarding is super quick. Airtable's design is very sleek, but wow, all that flexibility can kind of hit you like a bus when you first jump in. It's awesome, but honestly, it can be overwhelming. Ease of use? Gotta hand it to ActiveCollab. Let's not forget integrations. Airtable is kind of nuts here. Zapier, Make, API, Slack, Google, you can connect to just about anything. It's a playground for automation nerds. ActiveCollab is more chill. It does work with time tracking tools and invoicing, but that's pretty much it. So if you're integration obsessed, Airtable wins. Customization. This is where Airtable goes all out. Seriously, you can build entire systems from scratch, different field types, automations, even custom scripting if you're into that. But yeah, the deep automation options might send you to the help docs more than a few times. ActiveCollab lets you tweak tasks and projects, maybe use templates, but you aren't building databases here. If you want something tailored to your wildest workflow dreams, Airtable's your pick. So when you look at the big picture pricing, features, teamwork, ease of use, integrations, customization, some clear patterns start to pop out. Airtable's the customization and feature powerhouse. ActiveCollab is all about approachable project management. Honestly, if you want total control and need your workflow to be as unique as you are, Airtable is where it's at. But if your team just wants to hit the ground running and get projects organized without a massive learning curve, ActiveCollab makes life super easy. For pure adaptability, Airtable nudges ahead as the winner, but both have their strengths, no doubt. If this side-by-side helped you figure things out, let us know. And don't forget, if you want more no-nonsense tool comparisons, hit that subscribe. You'll never miss a break.